Good morning, traders, and welcome to this morning's live daily market opportunity from iForex. In today's opportunity, I'll be looking at the British pound, Japanese yen. I'm on the daily time frame, and I'll be setting up a limit order trade to buy the market at the price of 185. So before we get going on today's trading idea, I'd just like to point out that we are on the highs here at 187.83. We can see that the November highs, December highs, and now January highs, there's an inability to take price higher than 187 currently. And to a certain extent, we also had an equivalent high at the level of 186.5, 187 during the month of August 2023. So the purpose of today's trading idea is to look for a long, slightly lower down, around about the level of 185. And before we enter the trade, I'd just like to also explain what is behind the philosophy on this one. If we just go back and have a look at the weekly time frame. So if we go back on the weekly time frame, just to have a look at the philosophy behind this particular trade, we can see that there is a high which the traders are aiming for, around about 197, 198 at the top. That's what I'd like to get hold of. The trend is still going on. This is all about the weakening of the yen by the Japanese government rather than strength in the British pound. But let's just set up the limit order now at 185, and we can carry on the conversation. So I'm going to be setting up the limit order at the level of 185. Okay, there it is. And immediately then I want to put in the, going to be putting in the target at 195. And for the stop loss, that's going to be comfortably underneath the most recent swing lows, which is going to be around about 182. I'm just going to bring that up slightly, actually. Going to bring that up underneath here, 182.59. Okay, let's just have a look at the philosophy behind this trade. So the point about this particular trade is that I am still interested in the long side, and if we just scrunch up the chart somewhat, we can see that the trend is still to the upside. Maybe easier to see this on the weekly time frame. Okay, there it is on the weekly time frame. A little bit scrunched up the chart. Apologise for that, but it does give you the indication that here we have the 2017 lows with the 2020 lows down here around about 110. We've had that move the whole way up from there towards the 185, 187 area where we're currently trading. And what I'm looking for is this final push towards the area of 195. So that was the trading idea for today. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening. And let's see if we can get filled on this one. Maybe in today's trading, it could be in trading or later in the week. Let's see if we can get filled and see if we can get the level of 195 off at some point in the future. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, and look forward to speaking to you on the next live daily market opportunity from iForex.